Hi, this is Dansoy back with the homemade scrambled egg with pears. Here's some of the ingredients. I already have stuff set up. I got my pan and I got my Organic Valley extra large eggs. And basically in this recipe, you need Monterey and Jack cheeses again, onion, cilantro, adobo, olive oil. You need tomatoes, eggs, I have pears, and I have sauteed mushrooms. I did those in adobo and olive oil, but it does help a lot if you can put your stuff together in portions, and then it makes cooking easy. But I love Organic Valley eggs. They're free range and they're organic. They're really nice. They're brown. They're brown in color and they're perfect. So we'll be cooking with those, and then I'll be putting on my special lovely plate. There's my spatula, and let's begin. I just turned my stove on, and I'm gonna get olive oil and put that in there. Then I'm gonna go to my eggs and just whisk them together. Like you could add actually what's it called, milk in there if you want. So I'm just gonna throw that into my pan. You could either use your spatula or a fork, and you could just bring them together. And then I'm gonna throw in my mushrooms. I'm gonna throw in some cheese. You see that really coming together. And I'm gonna throw in some tomato. Then I'm gonna throw in some onion and cilantro. You can really see that coming in together. Then after that, I'm just gonna start scrambling this thing, mixing it all up. You can see it start to come together. All the colors, mushrooms. It doesn't take long to make. You could add like pepper to this if you want. It's basically your own creation. But this is really healthy, and you'll actually like the choices. You can see like the mushrooms in there. They're like perfect. And if you want, you can go back there and throw in some more cilantro. That gives you color and a little taste. And spray in some more olive oil. When you eat this, it'll just melt in your mouth. I got this really cool spatula that has this hook spoon on there, and it has a spatula, so it makes good for your cooking. So basically it's done now, so you just want to scoop it out and bring it to your plate. And we're actually done cooking that. There it is right there. If you want to just garnish it, throw in a little bit more cheese. You know, go crazy with that cheese. You could add salsa if you want. And the last ingredients is pears. You can add it there, or just throw the pears in on the side. It's all healthy. You'll like the kick. And that's basically it. That's your healthy salad. That's your healthy omelet. scrambled egg and your pears. God bless. Peace out.